Hey Griddle Nation, this is George Tappi, one of the members of the Gotham Burger Social Club. I'm here today with Blackstone, show you how to make my homemade burger on the griddle. Cafe Tappi burger coming right at you. Boom. So what we do is I like to start with my onions because they take the longest to cook. Sweet Vidalia onions have the most flavor. Right on your griddle, add some olive oil, salt, pepper, finish them off with some butter. It's gonna take 45 minutes to an hour for them to cook, but you'll see the transition. They'll be white, and then at the end, we're gonna see the flavors are gonna come out from the sugars, and you're gonna have a beautiful brown caramelized onion that is perfect like candy. At home, I love to get the Pat Lafrieda delivery. They have a 30-day dry-aged chopped beef that I think is awesome for this. It's about a 60-40 blend of all of their cuts from their porterhouse, their ribeye. It's all the trimmings of their dry-aged meat. I take them and I put them into a 4-ounce ball. What I do is I set my griddle to high heat. I add my olive oil, and then I'll take the meatballs that I formed earlier on, and I'll place those on the grill. Smash them. We add our salt on top. You'll see that the smoke will come up from the griddle, and as soon as you flip over those burgers, you're gonna notice a crust on those with the sear that's locked in all the juices that you lose in a traditional grill where you see all the juices fall through. This one's gonna cook in its own juice, and it's gonna be one of the juiciest, crispiest burgers you're ever gonna try. I like to add 1 slice of Boar's Head yellow American cheese. That's a preference to me. I like the saltier nature of the American cheese. On the other side of my griddle, I like to lower the temperature, put some butter down, and I take my Martin's potato rolls and I like to butter both sides and then finish them off with a little bit of salt on the top for a very different feel for your burger. Martin's potato roll is the most consistent roll that you could find that's easily accessible. Almost every single supermarket around the US has them handy, so you could do this while you're on the run or you could order ahead of time. And now it's time to build our burger. What I like to do is I like to put my caramelized onions on both sides of my bun. Little on the bottom, little on the top. Then on the bottom bun, I like to add my pickles. I'm a big fan of a garlic dill pickle. We're doing a double stack burger today, so you're gonna take your first patty, put it right on top of your pickles, take the next patty, put it right on top of that other previous patty, and then we're gonna flip that top bun, salt it up a little bit, and your burger's done. Besides burgers, what we like to do is I love to pair my burgers with a good bourbon because it's the sweetest of the whiskeys and it matches perfectly with the caramelized onions, the fattiness, the oils, everything comes together perfectly. Thank you guys for watching, and if you want this recipe for this burger, you can't have it. You can go back and find some other ones though on blackstoneproducts.com for all the burger recipes out there. And if you want to find more about us, we're the Gotham Burger Social Club on Instagram, or my personal is Booze and Burgers as well. We do a lot of drinking on there on Instagram as well. Cheers and have a great one.